Dear ladies and gentlemen, the video is about another pop-up scam that now attacks Mac computers. The attack once again is spread on Mac computers only, and this is not the problem for Windows computers. The pop-up is coming from the website badmonday16.live, badmonday16.live, and it says virus found. A website you have visited today has infected your Mac with a virus. A full system scan is now required to find and remove harmful files or applications from your Mac device. Well, it might sound as the frustrating news for some people, however, the truth is that this information is absolutely faulty. It is not related to your real computer, and by the way, this pop-up is not related to Apple. It's the fake alert, and there are some online frauds who stand behind it. Their intention is to make you click on the Scan Now button, and in order to scare you into downloading some malicious software. There will be some imitation of scanning supposedly in progress, and it will mention that bankworm virus was supposedly detected. Again, it's a faulty alert, and it's not related to any real situation with your Mac. So you should not click on this remove virus now button, because you will be brought to the landing page of some malicious software. For example, I'm not sure how it will be called, but even Mozilla Firefox browser reports its installer as malicious, as you see. So my recommendation is that you do not deal with those pop-ups, and if you find some suspicious software in your Mac, check your applications folder. Right-click on that software and move it to the trash if it is really considered as malware. Now, sometimes it may be really hard to realize what is malware and what is not malware. In such cases, I recommend you to scan your Mac device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may download it through the website combocleaner.com. That's the official landing page. After you download the software, you may start the program from your launchpad. In my case, it's a Combo Cleaner Premium version, so it will start updating its antivirus database first of all, and then you may click on the Start Combo Scan Now button to initiate the scanning process. Combo Cleaner works very well in detecting the most stubborn adware in your Mac. So it works as a free scanner, so you should be aware of that. Now the disk cleaner function is absolutely free, and you may click on Start Scan button. It will help you to speed up the speed up the performance of your Mac by removing application cache, application logs, and now the antivirus function is only the part of the premium version. So it will scan your Mac, it will remove, it will tell you what needs to be removed, but you can only remove the threads with the premium version of Combo Cleaner. Keep this information in mind. So, after the antivirus database updating is successfully completed, you may click on Start Combo Scan button to initiate the scanning process, and you will need to wait until the scanning is over. And either you have an option to remove these threads manually or automatically with the help of premium version of the program. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. All the best.